We went out into Namadgi National Park to track Rosenberg's Goannas. The National Parks Association has a project on this species. There's very little known about their movements and where they're going and what they're doing. And so they have a team of volunteers who go out and manually radio track these animals. The landscape is very rugged and steep and rocky, so it's very challenging to physically move through that landscape. The other main thing that makes it very, very difficult to radio track is that the rockiness of the hills means that the signal is bouncing. So they would spend a lot of time walking in different directions trying to figure out where exactly these animals were. By launching the drone up high and listening for the signals, we're actually able to avoid a lot of that signal bounce that is happening that makes it very confusing on the ground. And we were able to actually locate the young female that's going on great journeys, I guess, across the mountain ranges. And it was actually over the ridge and in the next gully, which would have taken potentially hours for people on the ground to find her. And we were able to launch the drone and just do it from the track in the valley. So we were able to cover really huge areas compared to what can be covered from on the ground. By being up in the air, we can get above ridges and look over into gullies. We can also move in areas where there aren't tracks really, really easily. So it just really makes a huge difference when you're out in the field, being able to survey areas so rapidly, regardless of how steep or difficult the terrain may be.